Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make rice keratin at home. Many women seek expensive salon treatments for manageable hair, but you can achieve similar results with a simple, natural DIY method. This treatment uses readily available ingredients to help transform your tresses, giving them a healthy, lustrous appearance. Get ready to unlock the secret to beautiful, strong hair right from your kitchen. To begin your homemade keratin treatment, you'll need just a few simple ingredients. Start with 1/2 cup of white rice and 1/2 cup of flax seeds. These form the base of our nourishing mask. You'll also need a fresh aloe vera leaf to extract its beneficial pulp. Finally, have 1 glass of water ready for the cooking process. These natural elements work together to provide fantastic hair health outcomes. Now, let's prepare the mask. Combine 1/2 cup of rice and 1/2 cup of flax seeds in a saucepan with 1 glass of water. Boil for 10 to 15 minutes until a slimy texture appears. Strain the hot mixture into a bowl, separating the liquid gel. Once cooled, blend this gel with fresh aloe vera pulp until smooth. This nutrient-rich blend is now ready for your hair. With your rice keratin mask ready, it's time for application. First, wash your hair to ensure it's clean. Then, massage the smooth mixture onto your scalp, working it through your hair from roots to ends. Leave the mask on for about 30 minutes to allow the nutrients to penetrate. Rinse thoroughly with warm water. Regular use can lead to less breakage, improved smoothness, and enhanced natural shine, giving you salon-like results.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.